Okay, back to MSRC, back on this Cadillac Boss Hog. As you can see, we got the inside of it bed lined, the back part of it, and I got some Velcro down to show the dash area. Horn work, it's looking real good. And also got the bullhorn on there. The XL bullhorn. Turn the light on. The headlights come on. Bottom switch. Probably need some batteries in it. And I got one hubcap made. I'm trying to get it where it's sitting in there level. It just stuck on there. I hadn't decided if I want to get on there. There we go. To get a decent shot of it. I actually got a crown on it. Man, this thing geared low. There we go. Sit crown. I ain't really decided on it. That's just kind of a tryout on it. Had to tear it back down. I had to go back and repaint the chest. I had to paint it. So I tore it back down and redone that. So it's all back together now. Looking good. Now, next thing to do, I gotta build seats for the back, seats for the front, doors. Alright, here we go. I got the pattern cut out on the back seat. It's just had a cardboard template front seat. Let's get it around here. I just gotta cut that out of styrene and get them shaped up. Left off from last night. Got the rear seat pretty well done. Not pretty good. Alright guys, here's a template I made for the car for the seat. I got one built and I'll let y'all see it. This is one of the seats I built over here in front of the camera. Let's see if y'all get the design off of it. Matches the back seat, fired out like a bucket seat. Yeah, get the pouch on the back with a oh shit handle. Yeah, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put Velcro on the bottom so when I put it in the car, I can actually adjust it back and forth where I need it at. Yeah, but I think that'll look pretty good up in there. Check this out. See that? Velcro there? Let me show you what goes on it. That's the seat. You got the fold up console on the back. I'll take my old driver. He having a coat. See what he looks like in it. Huh, kind of look like me. He sits in it pretty decent. Now on the doors, I was going to make them, but I believe I could get one off of eBay and just buy another car, rob the doors off of it cheaper than I can probably make them. Cause I got a lot of hours just in these seats and I ain't finished with them. I still got to paint them. Get y'all a little closer shot of it. They also got the pocket and the oh shit handle on the back of them. Next time I do a video on it, I'm going to do a complete overview of the whole vehicle. Give y'all a run over of the running gear up on it, because I don't think I have. I've done painted. I had to go back, tear it apart, and repaint the chassis. I'll give y'all an overview of the complete rig, top to bottom, and give you a picture by picture on it of the build. For ones that hadn't been watching it, they can watch the picture by picture. I hope y'all enjoy what you're watching. I hope you enjoyed the build. Stay tuned. You see the rest of it. I'm gonna do a paint video on the seats, and maybe by then I'll have me a set of doors put on this thing and finish up the hubcaps. Thank y'all for watching MSR RCs. Stay tuned to see the rest of the build. Thumbs up. If you have any comments, leave them down below. Thank you.